Sony has officially confirmed what many fans already suspected. The rumored PS5 Fortnite bundle is real, and it's launching sooner than you might think. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the new PS5 console Fortnite Flowering Chaos bundle, including what's inside, when you can get it, and whether it's worth the upgrade. Sony's announcement follows a wave of leaks circulating earlier this month, and now the company has confirmed the bundle across its official PlayStation social channels. Inside the box, players will find the updated 1TB PS5 Slim with disk drive. Interestingly, there's no themed artwork on the console itself, not even a Fortnite logo. And while many hoped for a custom controller, the bundle sticks with the standard DualSense. But where things get interesting is the digital content. The bundle includes 1,000 V-Bucks along with a set of 8 exclusive cosmetics designed specifically for PlayStation players. These include the Florin Outfit with the Lego-style variant, the Floral Finisher Pickaxe, the Blue Blossoms wrap, and specialized Pedal Steppers kicks. And here's the key detail. These cosmetics are PlayStation exclusive until November 26, 2026. So even if you already own a PS5, these items will eventually become available, just not until sometime next year. So let's talk price. Sony hasn't officially revealed it yet, but earlier leaks indicate the bundle is expected to retail for $449.99. If that figure holds, the bundle would cost roughly the same as a standard PS5 Slim, making the Fortnite bonuses essentially free. That pricing strategy could make this a very attractive holiday purchase for Fortnite fans or anyone upgrading from older hardware. As for availability, Sony lists the launch date as November 21st, although some promotional materials mention November 22nd, leaving a slight bit of ambiguity. Either way, the release window is right around the corner. With Fortnite continuing to dominate the global gaming scene, this bundle feels like a well-timed move, especially heading into the holiday season. Whether you're a Fortnite collector, a new PlayStation owner, or simply someone looking for a strong next-gen entry point, the Flowering Chaos bundle could be worth a closer look.